na sacrifice na let go ko para sa sport na to is lahat ng bisyo ko. Parang hindi na siya productive para sa akin. Ang lagi kong ina-advise sa mga estudyante ko, especially if nahihirapan na sila, is never compare yourself to others. And progress is different for everyone. Sometimes we tend to compare yung sarili natin sa progress ng ibang tao. Diba? Not everybody is the same. Some people have it easier. Some people have it harder. If kaya kong gawin yung mga kalokohan kong ginagawa dati, what more tong mga bagay na I'm sober now. Kasi sometimes yung utak natin plays tricks on us. Minsan kasi we think na we've already reached yung limit, ito na yung sagad, pero we are capable of so much more.